Are you ready to unlock the secrets to becoming a top mobile app developer in 2024? This journey could change your life. Mobile app development is booming, offering endless opportunities for those with the right skills. But what exactly do you need to master? First, understand the development approaches, native versus cross-platform. Native offers optimal performance but requires separate codebases. Cross-platform development, however, lets you write one codebase for multiple platforms, saving time and effort. Think React Native, Flutter, Kotlin multi-platform, and Maui. Choosing the right framework is crucial. React Native uses JavaScript and React, while Flutter, by Google, uses Dart. Both have powered apps like Facebook and Google Pay. Kotlin multi-platform, the new kid on the block, leverages Kotlin for apps like Netflix. Maui, from Microsoft, uses C# and .NET for a seamless experience. Next, learn essential programming languages: Swift for iOS, Java or Kotlin for Android, JavaScript for React Native, Dart for Flutter, and C# for Maui. Mastering Git is non-negotiable. This version control system is key for tracking changes and collaborating. GitHub is your portfolio and contribution platform. A strong foundation in computer science, especially data structures and algorithms, is vital. These skills are often tested in technical interviews at top companies. Finally, design patterns are your best friends. Familiarize yourself with the 23 classic design patterns to solve common software design problems efficiently.